my channel. So friends, in this video we are going to learn about how to do nested list in a HTML document. So friends, in before video we have already learned about how to do ordered list and unordered list. By mixing those two elements, this nested list will be going on. So friends, let us quickly start it. Let us go to SoloLearn app. So friends, now let us go to SoloLearn app. Here the app is opening now. So as I said that in this video we are going to learn about nested list. No. So its definition is, everybody please note down my dear friends. Okay, here we got the basic structure of HTML. A list can be created within a list is called nested list. Means by adding the both ordered and unordered list, or ordered and ordered list, unordered or ordered list, by mixing the two contents is known as this nested list. This means that one set of elements can be embedded within another set of elements. You can understand this concept with the help of the program now which I am doing. Okay friends, so now I want to change the background color as aqua. So basic color I am keeping aqua. AQUA. So here we will get aqua color background. Okay, so I'll take the bold tag, and in that I am writing the example of nested list. So here in output we got it as example of nested list, and I want to change its size by font tag. Font size I will keep it as 6 pixels. Means it will get somewhat bigger. Okay, example of nested list. It is nice. So now what I am using is the OL tag. Maybe friends, if you are missed that video, don't worry my dear friends. I'll keep the links of previous videos in description box. You watch that, then you watch first unordered and ordered list, then you will understand about this nested list my dear friends. Otherwise you will not understand why we will use these tags and everything. So in this OL tag now I am using start attribute. I am starting it from 1, and type attribute I am using it from 1. Okay, and li I am using as li I am using here, and in the beside of that I am writing input devices. So here we got input devices. So in this tag only, in this tag itself I am using UL tag. So this is what and how about a nested list. Within tag itself we have to use my dear friends. Okay, UL type I am keeping it as square, and I am using li as I'll copy this li and I'll paste see this li is an empty tag, but in SoloLearn automatically you will get the closing tag my dear friends, so don't worry about it. First I'll keep some li's, 5 enough. 5 input devices I want to write. So li I am keeping it as keyboard, and next one I am writing as mouse, and scanners, joystick, and at last trackball. Those who are using the systems, you will know about it and you will understand about this easily. So here I want to use BR tag. Why? Because to give spaces between each other. And again I'm using another unordered list, my dear friends. So means in one tag itself I'm using two tags. Okay, are you understanding? If you are getting any confused, once again watch this video. So I am keeping it as disk. Okay, so now I'll keep some li tags here. 5 enough. Yeah, before writing that, here I should use one thing. I'm just using here again li. Why? Because here already we have used the OL tag. Here I will give spaces. Then you will understand. Okay. Here I have used OL tag. Now this li is belongs to that OL tag. Now in this UL tag we are doing. So here what I am writing is output devices. Okay, so here I am writing what are the output devices: monitor and printer and impact printer, and next non-impact printer, and the final one is plotter. Yes, my dear friends, so here we have closed this ordered list. So let us check once again, did we close every tag or not? HTML opening, HTML closing, head opening, head closing, title opening, title closing, body opening, and here body closing, and bold opening, bold closing, font opening, and did we close this font tag? No. Here finally I will close the font tag. That's why we need to check that whether we closed or not. Yes, now font opening, font closing, and OL opening, here OL closing, and here li, this li is belongs to OL. Okay, and this li is also belongs to OL, and this is UL, and UL tag and UL closing, UL opening, UL closing. Okay, here we have closed everything. Let us see in output. See friends, how beautifully the web page is now. Here we have kept example of nested list. Input devices, here we got numbers, and output devices we got like this with disk. So this is what about nested list, my dear friends. Maybe if you are getting any confusion what are these tags, why it is being like that, then watch this video 2-3 times, then you will get easily. Okay friends, so don't forget to share this video to your friends, then they can also learn this HTML easily. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye friends.